the Tapo C320WS. Hello guys, my name is Gab and welcome to my latest video. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my own in-depth review of the Tapo C320WS and as well as the installation guide and an unboxing. So more on this video. So right out of the box, this is what we are going to get. Our camera itself. Oh yeah, this is my second time na binili ko tong product na ito. I already have this sa aking front yard. So I decided to buy one for my backyard. So the difference between an outdoor camera and an inside camera is the IP something rating. So this is IP66. So it's waterproof, it's more condensed, it's safe. Hindi siya masisira sa ulan basta-basta unless na batuhin ng mga bata sa labas. So, that's why I decided to get one for my backyard. But there are some cons sa camera na ito. More on that later. So, let's finish the unboxing. So, this is the camera itself. So, dito natin isasaksak yung power. And through here, which is very useful, this is also a Wi-Fi camera. So, pwede mo siya i-connect sa Wi-Fi. But just in case na hindi abot ang Wi-Fi connection mo sa pagkakabitan mo ng camera na ito, you can use an Ethernet adapter. So you can purchase one on Lazada for a cheap price. Just make sure it's at least Cat6. So yeah, napakahaba niya for around 400, 300 pesos. But mostly you are going to use Wi-Fi. It's way better. And of course, our screws and other whatnots. There seems to be something missing on the box, sadly. So last time na bumili ako, meron siyang sticker na nandoon yung screw hole marks, I guess, para hindi mo na siya, isasaksak sa pader. Para lang, drawingan dito para sukatin yung butas. So, I'm a bit disappointed na wala siya dito. Or did I drop it? Oh, there it is. Very good. Okay, so ito siya. So, focus camera. So, ito yung screw holes. You're going to stick this on the wall and you can start on drilling. So you won't need to, damage or scratch the camera's outer layers here on the mount when you're trying to measure the screw holes. So this is, bawa siya ng mistake percentage sa pag-install ng camera. Okay, so sa pinag-orderan ko yung official TP-Link store sa Shopee, you can order the camera with or without an SD card. So I decided to just buy a 32GB SD card. I know this has a higher capacity available, but this is only going to be in my backyard and this camera has a neat function called loop recording. So, ang nangyayari sa loop recording is continuously siyang magre-record and after mapuno nung storage mo, unti-unti siya magdi-delete ng older videos. So, matagal siya para sa akin kasi ang ginagawa ko hindi continuous recording dito sa ating security camera. Okay, so installation for the memory card, it's completely safe. So, unlike sa other cameras, the indoor cameras na i-insert mo lang siya. Obviously now this is an indoor camera, so it's water resistant. So obviously, dapat nasa loob ng water resistant camera mo ang iyong micro SD card because it's gonna break if it gets wet. Alright, so all you need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, just like that. Dito na natin makikita ang ating memory cards slot. Make sure na alternate mo siyang hihigpitan para mag-even out yung pressure. And there you go, we're good. So the next step is we're going to pair this to our phone with the TP-Link app, the Tapo app on the Apple App Store. So, yeah, sobrang haba ng ating power cord. So, most of the time, hindi ka na magkakaroon ng problema sa pag-install nito. But for me, umabot naman siya sa loob ng bintana pero I still needed to get an extension cord, which is not that bad. At least I didn't need to call an electrician to get it installed. But unless na ikakabit mo siya like somewhere na far away sa bahay mo, yeah, you're gonna need an electrician to get this installed. But let's say like malapit lang sa outside your window, outside your door, your front door, you are going to be good. So, install this here. Yoink. And there we go. We have power, ladies and gentlemen. So it's called the TP-Link Tapo. It could be different for the Android Play Store, but it's relatively going to be the same. So you open the app, and then I already have my front yard right now. So yeah, there it is. Very nice. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're just going to add device. So make sure C320WS. That's our model right now. So we're going wireless next. So make sure the power LED and shit are all going up. Next. Connect. Oh yeah. The next thing we're going to do is open our Wi-Fi settings. And then we are going to connect to the camera itself. So the camera is going to be temporarily, the camera is gonna temporarily become a hotspot. And kailangan kumonek ng phone natin sa Wi-Fi ng camera. And voila! Found it. Sobrang bilis ng pairing niya. It's so good. So ulitin ko, ang cons ko sa camera na ito is it's really good. Like, ang linaw niya, lalo na sa gabi. Like, it's full color siya even at nighttime kung kailan madilim, kukunti yung source of light. It's so bright. Like, parang daytime ka pa rin oopsie. There we go. Parang daytime ka pa rin nagre-record. Pero ang problem ko nga dito is the sensor is not that great. So, hindi masyadong kita yung mga bagay from far away. Like letters, like let's say plate number, you won't be able to see it. But for people detection, it's great. So, ito yung settings niya. So, I like to turn off the status LED para hindi siya masyadong napapansin ng, infiltrator. So, this is the white light brightness. So, the camera has like this feature where it has its own light source pag sobrang dilim. I usually turn that to the lowest first kasi ang problem ko nga din dito is the motion detection or person detection is a bit off most of the time. So pag may sariling ilaw yung camera, it attracts a lot of bugs and I keep getting notifications that someone is infiltrating my front yard and there's motion in my front yard and pagbukas ko is either bugs or hinahangin yung mga halaman. Yun lang yung nakakainis na part. I usually go to settings first, tapos detection and alert. So everything else is off, even the AI detection. So ang AI detection kasi is ito yung person detection. So ang problema ko kasi dito is ang aking camera is, nasa main road. I mean, nakaharap sa main road. So lahat ng taong dumadaan sa sidewalk is na-detect niya. So yeah, one of the cons is ang wish ko, sana pwede kang maglagay ng privacy zone for the AI detection, but hindi siya available as of now. Meron kasi silang ganito, like motion detection, sana may ganito yung person detection, di ba? So sa motion detection naman, pwede kang maglagay ng activity zone. So halimbawa may dumaan dyan or may motion, magde-detect siya. So pwede kang mag-add, pwede mo siyang lakihan, add up to 4. Okay, you can add up to 4 activity zones. So, ang problem ko naman dito sa motion detection ng activity zones na to is hanginan lang yung halaman or magkaroon ng raindrops pag umuulan, boom, notification, nakakainis. Kahit naka-low sensitivity na siya. So, ayoko nito. Meron din siyang line crossing detection, which is for me, napaka-solid nito. So, pwede ka maglagay ng boundary. So let's say, ito yung gate mo, di ba? May dumaan, palabas or papasok, makikita mo dyan sa arrow na iyan. Pwede mong palit-palitan kung palabas lang, papasok lang, or gagawin mong both. Magkakaroon ka ng notification. But again, ang problem ko nga is since nasa garden to, like itong puno ko, gumalaw lang niya ng konti. So, I always keep that off as well. So, ang ginagamit ko lang is the area intrusion detection. For me, ito yung pinaka-intuitive as of now. Like when you go to the activity zones, landscape, so ito yung area intrusions ko. So, let's say may pumasok ditong tao, or kahit yung aso ko na-detect niya eh. Hindi ko siya nilagay sa gate kasi during nighttime, pag may dumaang sasakyan, pati yung ilaw na-detect niya. So, iniisip niya mayroon na ding area intrusion, which is nakakainis pa rin. So, as of now, ito yung pinakamaayos na mode for me. Camera tampering, I leave it to normal. So, if somebody tries to reach out to your camera and cover it up, it's going to notify you. Okay, let's move on. Oh yeah, the other features, you can talk to the camera. Let's use the backyard camera because it's still here. So, hello. You hold to talk. Hello. There it is. What's up? So, meron siyang microphone. So, ito yung speaker niya. So, you can talk to people. So, pwede mo din siya ilagay sa labas ng pinto mo. So, let's say the Shopee guy is there. Yeah, pwede kayong mag-usap. Let's just hope na hindi siya abot ng mga bata kasi dito kasi sa amin binabato yung mga CCTV. So, gawin na din natin itong installation vlog. So, ikakabit ko na siya dito sa backyard. And tatlo yung problema ko eh. Unang-una, napakataas. Pero may hagdan naman tayo. Tapos yung pangalawa, para makuha ko yung angle ng driveway namin, tsaka ang aming backyard, dyan ko siya ikakabit, which is yero siya, hindi siya kahoy. So, manipis siya na yero. So, meron tayong konting ideas na pwede nating malusutan tong problema na ito. Yan, napakatangang solusyon to. So, kumuha ako ng kahoy na napakadumi. Ikakabit natin siya sa other side ng yero. So, parang yung yero lang yung magiging gitna, nakaipit to sa gitna. Para lang kumapit yung screw. So, ewan ko kung mahuhulog to. Alright, bigat ng katawan ko. Pag talaga may butik eh, tatalon ako. Okay guys, so naputol. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes na bago siya naputol. Pero, kita ba? Nakabit na natin siya. So, nandito na tayo sa wiring phase. Ayan na siya. Nakakabit na. Alright, so pros and cons. Let's start with some of the pros. So, pro number 1 is night vision. Night mode, I mean. So, madalas nakikita natin sa mga normal na CCTV cameras or older ones is pag nag-night vision, it's just infrared light, black and white. Like, pag dumilat ka, mukha kang aswang. This one has that as well, pag talagang sobrang dilim na. Pero sometimes, di ba, low light lang. Like, let's say, meron kang isang bumbilya. Like, for example, my front yard. Like, ang nakikita nyo sa video na ito is just the light coming from my front porch. So, on full color mode on low light, kahit napakaliit ng natitirang light source mo, you will still have full color. Like, hindi siya magiging black and white. It's still gonna be as bright as day. So, for me, for security purposes, 100%. That's a good one. And again, the waterproof feature, of course, outdoor camera siya, dapat nga waterproof. Very good, as proven on this video. And syempre, two-way audio. So para kang naka-video call sa labas. Meron siyang built-in microphone and built-in speaker, so you can communicate with the people that your camera is seeing and they can talk back to you. So actually right now, umorder ulit ako na isa pang camera. Ilalagay ko siya sa aming front door. So para pag may nagdo-doorbell, pwede na lang buksan ni Lola yung tablet niya at kausapin yung tao sa labas. Like, anong gusto mo? Ah, hindi, wala kaming yelo. Or something like that, you know? Kasi normally ang nangyayari, pag may nagdo-doorbell and wala ako sa bahay, sisilip pa siya sa bintana. Ano yan? Ha? Hindi kita marinig. Speak up. So what happens is, lalabas pa siya, pupunta pa siya sa front gate, and it's hard for her. Like, she's not that old. She's 60. 70? I'm a bad grandson. I don't know her age. I really recommend buying this if you need an outdoor camera. The cons. The AI function is stupid. Motion detection is too good that you don't want it to be on. So if you guys liked this video, as crazy as it is, leave a like and subscribe, guys. And